Take Dynamic Health with you on your tablet or smartphone wherever you go. It's fast and easy to access the critical skills information you need on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. The Dynamic Health app is available as a free download from the iTunes App Store for iPhone, iPad, or Google Play for Android devices. If you have a username and password to access Dynamic Health, you can authenticate the app using those credentials. Tap the Sign In tab and then tap the Sign In button. Click Continue and then enter your username and password. Next, tap the Sign In button. You may also be able to sign in through your institution with single sign-on using the drop-down menu at the top. Or click the EBSCO login and institutional locator link to search for your institution and sign in. If you are connected to your institution's internal network or local internet via Wi-Fi, tap Institutional Network and then tap Authenticate to log into the app. Please note, this authentication type must first be enabled by your institution. Choose an installation option and tap Continue. If you choose Light Install, full images are displayed in the app on demand when your device is connected to the internet. It is recommended that your device be connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into a power source during installation. From the home screen of the app, browse skills content by nursing, clinical assistant, health profession, cultural care, or patient instruction. If your institution has added workplace skills, you will also see the Your Workplace Skills option. If your institution subscribes to Dynamic Health CDS plus Skills, you can also browse by diseases and conditions, signs and symptoms, tests and labs, interventions, and cultural overviews, as well as browse the drug guide and leadership content. The skills categories can be browsed by tapping Skills. To search Dynamic Health, tap the search box on the home screen and the on-screen keyboard is displayed. Begin entering your search terms in the search box. As you type, topics matching your terms appear. Select a topic under the Go To section to access the content directly, or select a search term under Search For to view a result list. Tap the search button on your device's keyboard to run your search. If your institution subscribes to Dyna AI, you will see a Dyna AI result at the top of your results list. Dyna AI delivers answers to clinicians' natural language queries at the speed of AI from the Dynamic Health database, supporting informed decisions but never replacing clinical judgment. Tap a Dynamic Health topic to view the content. Go directly to a section of a topic by tapping the Table of Contents icon and selecting from the list. On a Dynamic Health topic, tap the Table of Contents icon to navigate directly to a section of the topic. Use the tabs to view the content, checklist, videos, images, or About sections of the content. From the menu at the bottom, you can also tap the Find In Page icon to search for specific terms within the text of the topic. Tap the Bookmark icon to add it to your followed topics. Tap the Text Size icon to adjust the size of the text on the screen. Tap the Menu icon to send feedback to the Dynamic Health editors or share it via your device's sharing options. From the home screen, tap Bookmarks and Recently Viewed to view your bookmarked and recently viewed topics. Your followed topics are displayed by default. Tap Recently Viewed to view a list of items you have viewed in the app recently. You can return to any topic by tapping the title. Tap the Account icon at the top of the screen to view the available settings. From the Settings menu, you can change the text size of topics in the app, change the appearance of the app from light to dark, update your storage option for the app's content, as well as access the app's help information.